Xiaomi is back with another groundbreaking flagship, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to redefine premium smartphones with top-tier performance, an advanced quad-camera system, and ultra-fast charging. With a Leica-powered camera setup, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and a massive battery with 120W charging, this phone is built for power users, photographers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Let's take a deep dive into everything the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has to offer. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a buttery-smooth experience whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. With a peak brightness of over 3000 nits, this display delivers stunning HDR content, making it perfect for outdoor usage and high-quality media consumption. Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support further enhance the color accuracy and contrast, ensuring that movies and games look absolutely breathtaking. Thanks to LTPO technology, the refresh rate dynamically adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, helping conserve battery life while maintaining smooth performance when needed. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the most powerful Android processor to date. Built on a 3nm architecture, this chip offers higher efficiency, better thermal management, and blazing fast speeds. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, multitasking feels effortless, and apps load instantly. Whether you're editing videos, playing high-end games, or running AI-powered tasks, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra handles it all with ease. For gamers, Xiaomi has integrated an advanced cooling system to ensure that the phone remains cool even during intense gaming sessions. Game Turbo mode further optimizes GPU performance, offering lag-free gaming at ultra settings. One of the biggest highlights of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is its quad-camera setup, developed in collaboration with Leica. 50MP 1-inch main sensor with an ultra-large sensor, this camera captures incredible details, offering DSLR-like image quality. Expect excellent low-light performance, ultra-fast autofocus, and natural color reproduction. 50MP ultra-wide lens perfect for group shots, landscapes, and creative wide-angle photography, delivering sharp images without distortion. 50MP 3x periscope telephoto lens designed for portraits and mid-range zoom shots, maintaining high image quality and optical clarity. 200MP periscope telephoto lens, 10x optical zoom, the most powerful zoom camera in a smartphone, capable of capturing distant objects with stunning detail. With AI super zoom and periscope stabilization, even handheld shots remain crystal clear. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's camera system is backed by AI-enhanced computational photography, offering Leica-inspired color tuning, adjustable aperture settings, and professional-grade video recording at 8K resolution. For selfies, the 32MP front camera ensures sharp and vibrant photos, with support for AI beauty mode, 4K video recording, and HDR enhancements. Powering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a massive 6000 mAh battery, providing all-day endurance even with heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using GPS, this phone is built to last. What's even more impressive is its ultra-fast charging technology. 120W wired charging charges from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. 80W wireless charging, one of the fastest wireless charging speeds in any smartphone. With AI battery optimization, the device intelligently manages power consumption to extend battery life, even under heavy workloads. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, offering a clean, optimized, and AI-powered experience. HyperOS 2 introduces AI-powered smart assistant helps with tasks like scheduling, notifications, and intelligent photo editing. Advanced privacy features enhance security settings, app permissions management, and AI-powered fraud detection. Xiaomi has given the 15 Ultra a premium design, featuring a two-tone colorway with a lake-inspired aesthetic. The back panel is made of premium materials, available in ceramic, leather, and matte finishes. For durability, the device is IP68, IP69 certified, meaning it can withstand dust, water splashes, and even submersion. The ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor ensures fast and secure unlocking, even with wet hands. One standout feature is satellite communication, allowing users to send emergency messages in areas with no cellular coverage. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or in a remote location, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra keeps you connected. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse built for those who demand the best. With its industry-leading display, DSLR-level cameras, next-gen performance, ultra-fast charging, and durable design, this phone stands at the top of the flagship category. If you're looking for a premium smartphone with cutting-edge technology, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the ultimate choice. That's a wrap on our detailed review of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest smartphone updates and reviews. What are your thoughts on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.